Happy April 1st. Welcome to the new month. I want to show you guys I'm up $880 right now on JP Chase. This is actually a really good trade. All of my students are making money off of this. Let's go ahead and pull up the group chat really quick so I can show you guys. So we have students making money off of JPM right now on $120 right there. A student up about $80 on JPM. Another student up $612 on JP Chase. So let's go ahead and let's break this entire trade down. So let's go ahead and pull this back over. Let's go ahead and pull this over so we can go ahead and look at both sides on the screen. So going ahead and looking at JP Chase, the reason why I bought this is because price pulled back down to the conversion, the baseline. So when I saw price pull down to the baseline, I went ahead and placed a buy here, had my stop loss initially down here. Now come the new month of April 1st, we have moved up, so I have moved my stop loss in profit. Honestly, I can go ahead and close JP Chase if I wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and let it run because I can see JP Chase going back up to $120 or so, probably in the next 4 or 5 months. So if I go ahead and take this long position tool, place it where I got into my entry right here, stop loss at break even. This is a risk-free trade, and I'll take my trade up to 117.85 or so.